everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1965 Ford Mustang GT350 Tribute. Very nice little car we got here at Skyway Classics, with of course the red with the white stripe on the hood. You got the matching red interior bucket seats, automatic on the floor. You got the 3-spoke wooden wheel, which really is good with this car. You can see you got most of the factory style gauges. A late 80s model Kenwood stereo system with the cassette tape. They added the aftermarket style AC kit, which keeps you nice and cool, especially down here in Florida. One of the really unique things I saw about this car was not only the fold back down back seat, but you also have that really cool spoiler that actually embeds itself into the deck lid there. Really nice touch there made by Ford. Other than that, it's got the nice weld racing style wheels on it to definitely give it more of a performance look. The hood pins especially, and that nice small block Ford engine there with the headers definitely gives it the true sound out the back of the engine. Even our brakes are really good there too. I just wanted to mention that also. But anyway, for now we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.